How did Thurgood Marshall strategically dismantle segregation? Imagine a young lawyer with a vision to change a nation. Thurgood Marshall used the power of the law to challenge unfair treatment and push for equality. His work focused mainly on education, where segregation was most visible. Marshall believed that courts could be a tool to create real change. He started by fighting segregation in colleges and law schools. His victory in a case that forced the University of Maryland to admit a black student was a big step. It proved that segregation in higher education could be challenged successfully. He then joined the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, or NAACP, Legal Defense and Educational Fund. There, he led many lawsuits aimed at ending segregation in public schools. His main argument was based on the 14th Amendment, which guarantees everyone equal protection under the law. He said that separating black and white students was inherently unfair and unequal. This legal strategy became the foundation for the famous Brown versus the Board of Education case. In that case, Marshall argued before the Supreme Court that segregation harmed black children by making them feel inferior. The court agreed and ruled that separating students in schools was unconstitutional. This decision overturned the earlier ruling in Plessy versus Ferguson, which had allowed segregation under the idea of separate but equal. Marshall did not stop there. He pushed for courts to order schools to actively remove segregation. He supported policies like busing students to schools outside their neighborhoods to help integrate schools in divided communities. Marshall also fought for fair pay for teachers and better funding for black schools. His efforts led to major changes in how schools operated and how resources were shared. His legal victories helped break down barriers and open doors for black Americans in education. His work changed the way the country viewed segregation and helped move the civil rights movement forward. Thurgood Marshall's strategy showed that law can be a powerful tool for justice. His legacy continues to inspire efforts to make America more equal and fair for everyone.